Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ChatGPT Insights, your go-to source for the latest AI news and developments. Today, we're going to explore a question that's been on everyone's mind. Can artificial intelligence chatbots like ChatGPT actually pass the Turing Test? The Turing Test, first proposed by Alan Turing in 1949, is considered a benchmark of machine intelligence. So, what does it mean for a large language model to pass this test? Simply put, if a human judge can't tell whether they're chatting with a human or a machine, then the chatbot has passed the Turing Test. Now, researchers have been testing ChatGPT and other large language models on this test, and some pretty interesting results have come out. A study from UC San Diego found that in many cases, human judges were unable to distinguish between ChatGPT and a human. In fact, ChatGPT was judged to be a human 54% of the time. But here's the thing. Even when ChatGPT did pass the test, it wasn't necessarily because it was truly intelligent. We asked ChatGPT itself if it could pass the Turing test, and its response was fascinating. It told us that while it can pass in some scenarios, it may not be able to reliably or universally pass the test. And we couldn't agree more. The truth is, large language models like ChatGPT are trained on massive datasets of information, but they don't truly think in the way humans do. They're more like word prediction engines, using probability and statistics to generate responses. So, while ChatGPT may be able to mimic human speech with ease, it's not necessarily demonstrating true intelligence. Gary Marcus, an American psychologist and cognitive scientist, sums it up perfectly. The Turing test is a test of human gullibility, not a test of intelligence. But what does this mean for the future of AI? Well, some researchers believe that the Turing test is becoming increasingly obsolete as large language models get more advanced. And with cutting-edge models like ChatGPT 4o coming out all the time, it's only a matter of time before we see chatbots that can easily pass the test every time. And yet, despite this progress, there are still many questions about what it means for AI to truly be intelligent. Is it possible to create machines that can actually think and reason like humans? Or are we just creating more sophisticated versions of ourselves? These are the kinds of questions that ChatGPT Insights will continue to explore as we navigate the ever-changing landscape of artificial intelligence. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on ChatGPT Insights.